Hello, today we'll introduce the framework of communicative competence and highlight how it integrates the four language skills. Well, to start, communicative competence refers to the ability to use language effectively and appropriately in context. So it consists of several components: linguistic, pragmatic, intercultural, and strategic and discourse competencies, and those components or competencies interact with the other to help the learner catch and create cohesive and meaningful discourse. So, the framework proposed by Joel Martinez is about these 5 components, which are enclosed in a circle, and those components rely on the 4 skills: speaking, listening, the reading skill, and writing. By integrating those skills, the learner can build intercultural awareness and communicative effectiveness. So the first one that we will talk about is the speaking skill, because the speaking activities promote communication and intercultural awareness. Examples include face-to-face, timed learning, role-playing, and also asking questions to native speakers.
Also, we have the listening skill, which focuses on enhancing the understanding of the spoken language and cultural nuances. Some activities that we can find to enhance this skill are videotape cultural dialogues, in which learners view videos of the different people who are talking about their different cultures and discuss many topics, and they have to analyze the verbal and nonverbal communication. Also, we have the intercultural misunderstandings, in which the students listen to real life examples of cultural misunderstandings and discuss to try to resolve them. This helps to increase the cultural awareness. Next, we have the interviews with native speakers, in which students record interviews and compare their perspective with those of the interviewee. This helps to promote exposure to natural language and critical analysis.
We're going to continue with the reading skill, and the main focus of this ability is to develop learners' ability to produce coherent and culturally sensitive written text. It is divided into different activities, and the first one is tandem email learning. Tandem email learning focuses on exchanging emails with native speakers to practice extended reading on cultural topics. The second is story design, which mainly focuses on using visual prompts to create culturally contextual stories collaboratively. The third one is cultural misunderstanding narratives, reading stories, continuations based on different scenarios involving cultural conflicts. We continue with material-based writing, and it also includes, or it also uses visual or textual resources to draft essays, summaries, or creative text. And the last one is reflective writing, encouraging students and learners to evaluate their experiences and understanding of intercultural interactions through the written reports.
Reading is more than just decoding words. It is a gateway to understanding culture, perspectives, and context. For example, critical reading activities encourage learners to not only comprehend a text, but also to analyze its cultural implications. Imagine you are reading a news article from another country and comparing it, how it frames social issues differently, what it talks about in the columns, what kind of wording does it use. These insights help us bridge cultural gaps. In the context of intercultural competence, reading serves as a tool to explore cultural diversity. Activities like analyzing advice columns from different countries or reading cultural anecdotes help us enhance our awareness of societal norms and values. For instance, identifying misunderstandings in text helps learners understand how communication can differ across countries. Reading, along with listening, speaking, and writing, forms the foundation for developing communicative competence. Each skill works together in many ways, as we have seen along this presentation, to help us enhance this cultural awareness. My takeaway is that focusing on all 4 skills makes language learning more practical and meaningful. It is not just about using a language, but about connecting with the people and cultures that are behind it.